Is walking at night safe? Night walks can be the calm your brain craves, or the sketchiest 5 minutes of your day. So is it safe? It depends on where, when, and how you move. The benefits are real. A relaxed 20 to 30-minute stroll can ease stress and help you sleep deeper. But safety decides whether you'll actually enjoy it. Here's my rule as a young guy who walks late. Pick the right terrain and stack the odds. Choose well-lit, familiar streets with foot traffic. Walk earlier in the evening, not at 2 a.m. Keep your head up. Ditch noise-canceling earbuds and carry your phone with battery and ID. Share your live location with someone. Vary your route and timing, and trust your gut. If a block feels wrong, cross the street or turn back. Consider reflective clothing, a small flashlight, or a legal personal alarm. Pepper spray only where it's allowed and only if you're trained. Bottom line, night walking can be safe and seriously good for you when you control the variables. If you can't secure the basics, lighting, company, and awareness, skip it or switch to earlier hours.